cheer. It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's the happiest season of all. It's all weekend evenings and gay happy meetings when friends come to call. It's the happiest season of all. There'll be fun